Hello everyone, I am here in this video to share some helpful tips that will assist you in creating a happy and fulfilling family. As we all know, families play a vital role in our lives and are a source of happiness, comfort, and support. However, in today's fast-paced and stressful world, it can be challenging to maintain a happy and healthy family life. Establishing and maintaining a good relationship in the family can be challenging and may take time, but by communicating honestly and respectfully with one another, setting aside time to do things together, respecting each other's boundaries, and being supportive and empathetic, a strong bond can be established. Here are 7 helpful tips to make your family achieve happiness. Number 1. Positive communication. Communication is key to any successful relationship. It's important to talk to each other about your feelings, needs, and concerns. Listen to each other's perspectives and try to understand where the other is coming from. Encourage open and honest communication from all family members. Number 2. Quality time. Make sure to spend time together as a family doing things you all enjoy. Plan family outings, eat meals together, and engage in shared hobbies. This can help strengthen bonds and create more positive memories. Number 3. Show appreciation and respect. Make a point to show your appreciation and respect for each other. Celebrate each other's successes, express gratitude, and support each other during difficult times. Also, be respectful of each other's boundaries, opinions, and life choices. Number 4. Forgiveness and empathy. No one is perfect and every family member may make mistakes. Practice forgiveness and try to see things from each other's perspective. Empathize with what each other may be going through to help build a strong foundation of compassion. Number 5. Neutral ground rules. It can be helpful for families to establish some neutral ground rules. For example, no shouting, no belittling, or no insults. Keep discussions respectful and make it a point to de-escalate any conflicts that may arise. Number 6. Shared responsibilities. When family members share the workload and responsibilities, it creates a sense of cooperation and unity, leading to a more balanced family life. It also helps to reduce tension and stress within the family. Number 7. Positive mindset. Creating and maintaining a positive mindset can help families cope with challenging situations. Encourage each other, celebrate small successes, and be mindful of negative thoughts and feelings. In conclusion, creating a happy family is possible by implementing these simple tips and making them a part of our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips be useful to your family. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all of your support and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching.